Adding joyful little rituals to each day can help boost mood and positivity. Combining them with a pre-existing habit, like making a cup of tea, can help them stick. Here are our experts' tips. Start each day positively. Whilst you make your morning tea, we recommend uplifting matcha. Set 3 intentions for your day. Having just 3 things to focus on will help you stay centered and ready to accomplish more. Re-energize your focus. Beat the afternoon slump with spicy, invigorating turmeric tea. While your tea infuses, try a ragdoll yoga pose. This can help blood flow to the head to rejuvenate the mind. Rest well. Unwind before bed with a calming blend of chamomile, lavender, and valerian. Whilst you make your last tea of the day, find 3 things you're grateful for. Research shows practicing gratitude is connected to greater levels of happiness. We hope you find these tips helpful. Head to our website to learn more about herbs and well-being.